Hey everyone, once again, welcome to our YouTube channel Poonitesh. So, I hope you guys have visited our and watched our previous video. So, this is the continuation of our previous series. Okay, so in this video, we are installing our SAP S4HANA Server 2023 on top of our HANA DB. Basically, this is the prerequisite phase where it will check the compatibility between our hardware and our version. Also, it checks the files whether everything is there or not. Okay, and after this, once this phase will be get completed, we'll proceed with the our installation. This is the first stage prerequisite part. Okay, and how to start the HANA DB, these SWPM and all, we have already seen those. So let me just show you the command to start. Yeah, see here we can see we have extracted our files. To extract the command, basically we have used, see, basically SAP. I need to keep this cursor on. Okay, so here we can see in SAP car, okay, below these SAP car as dot slash SAP car hyphen xvf and the dot sar file. This we have downloaded from SAP support portal SWPM tool, and this tool we are utilizing for our installation. Okay, these two we are utilizing for our HANA installation. So we have extracted the file, and then in the folder it will create a structure of the file system. So these files after extraction we have got. Okay, here you can say right top bottom corner. Okay, SAP inst file is there, right? So this is the executable file which we will execute, and after that we'll get that UI, okay, which we are using on the browser to install our HANA. Okay, so here I have executed. To execute the file SAP inst, just what you have to do, see here in red line. Okay, dot slash SAP inst, this is the command you need to execute. Just execute, and then you will get one URL. You can see connecting to this localhost. Okay, so this on top of that logon user root. So this is the URL you need to use in your browser. Basically localhost means if on top of, on the place of localhost, you need to give IP address or the host name what you have configured in your local etc local host file. So here I have configured that IP with Linux as a host name in my machine, so I have given that. Okay, then it will open, and here then you need to give the root user ID and password to login. Okay, once you give that, then screen will come, and you need to select what are you going to install. So we have selected SAP for HANA 2023 Server Edition, and in that you have to select a prerequisite check, and it will just check this. Actually, I have recorded that video, but due to some issue, it went gone. Okay, I was not able to save that, some issue. Okay, already my live sessions also started. So in these recording will be there, but I'm not sure whether I'm going to upload it or not, because during live many things happens, background noise and those things. So I'm not sure whether I'm going to upload that the live or mostly I will keep that private only, not public. Okay, so this is the one about prerequisite part, and we have started this. Once it is completed with this phase, I will resume again, because it's taking time. It's a hardware consumption stage, we can say. So still resources are utilizing. Okay, so what I will do, I will just pause the recording, and once this scanning part is completed, basically it's scanning the files in our system. So once this is completed, I will resume again. Okay, just stay. So, hey guys, I have resumed the video just to show an update. So till now it have reached till this phase. Okay, 25 files have been checked, and it is verifying now this one. And I guess we have total 29 files of this. Okay, so total it was around 80 GB of installation storage. So that's why it's taking time. Okay, so let me pause again, and once it's completed, I'll resume again. So hey guys, just I forget to start my recording again. Okay, so basically after that completed, it just shown that file found. Okay, In my live video you can go and see it just shown that file is found, and now it is executed and prerequisite run successfully. Here it is showing the status. Okay, you must check the compliance with this thing. So host file, host name, result code is okay, means yeah, host name or whatever you have configured with our system right now, it is okay. Okay, Linux kernel product, yeah, this is also okay with our OS version. RAM size also okay, we have configured the proper RAM size. The service at least required 3076, basically around 3.5 we have given 45. Okay, current value is this one. Okay, so it is far ahead. And it says around 20 GB swap size needed, we have given 41 GB, 42 GB RAM swap size, so this is also okay. So our prerequisite is ran successfully, and just next. Okay, it's executing the service, and yeah, it's completed. Okay, so finally we have completed our prerequisite parts. So click on OK. I'm checking some other client system actually simultaneously. Okay, so we don't want to send anything to SAP. No, I don't. Close. Okay, this completed. Let me, I love this screenshot. Okay, so I like anything completes, I like that. Control, oh shit, let me just go back, create new document, paste, save it as S4 prerequisite. That's it. Okay, so our prerequisite part completed. Now what I will do, I will just click on exit. So this is done, guys. Our prerequisite part done. Okay, so I'm stopping this recording here. Just stay tuned for another video. In next sessions we will see to installation of our proceeding in next phases of installation. Okay, so this was part of prerequisite part. Just stay there and don't forget to subscribe, guys. Please subscribe and support our channel. Also share these videos to if whoever will be needed and trying to find the career, like whoever you think it's beneficial for them, just share in your group and your social media, so it will help our channel for sure. And thanks one again for supporting our channel. Bye bye.